Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find Google two-step verification backup code. So if you have enabled Google two-step verification backup code, can help you regain access if you lost your phone or can't receive verification code. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to find them. So go to the Google security page, then open your browser and visit the Google account security, then log into your Google account if needed, then access two-step verification settings, scroll down to signing in to Google and click two-step verification, then re-enter your password if prompted, then find the backup code, then scroll down to backup code and click show code. You will see the 10 backup code. Each can be used once. Then after that, download or print the code. Click on download and save a code or print them for safekeeping. And here's the tips: store them securely in a password manager, or probably you can save them in offline mode. And that is how to find Google two-step verification backup code. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.